Hello everyone, I have a special video for you today. Sometimes in life, the most important locks aren't the big ones. Sometimes in life, the most important locks are the small ones. This is the Tiffany blue luggage lock of destiny, passed down from the great otter in the sky through his worldly agent, Noah the bird, passed down to me. This is a lock of great legend. It's said that whomever can open this lock will pick the locks on the doors of the temple of the otter and release his glory onto the world. So this is a very, very important day and a very, very important lock, because only the chosen Juan can open it. So let's get this over ready and let's try to give Now I need everybody to understand that this is very serious. This is an absolute chance to unlock destiny. This being the Tiffany blue luggage lock of destiny. I'm actually kind of nervous. What if I can't open this? So, before I make my attempt at greatness, we have to pray. If the otter in the sky wills it, the lock will open when he wills it, and not one click sooner. In the name of the sky otter, Pope Otter Arms the First, and head forestry agent Nigby, we pray. Say when. This is it, guys. This is it. Oh man, I really hope I don't mess this up. Oh. That's it. Well, that was a bit anticlimactic. I kind of expected something, some smoke, some dazzle. But there you have it, guys. The chosen Juan.